Hello, my name is Akuma Genesis A. Santos, base ID 32, and about API. API is Application Programming Interface na tatalakayin ng isang speech-to-text and text-to-speech. So, ang unang tanong is reflection about how both API or Application Programming Interface works sa both sides. So, ito po ang example. Hello, comma. My name is Genesis, period. BSIT 3-2, period.
You're not the only one cursed with knowledge. I know what it's like to lose. To feel so desperately that you're right, yet to fail nonetheless. Dread it. Run from it. Destiny arrives all the same.
And now it's here. Or should I say, I am. You were going to bed hungry, scrounging for scraps. Your planet was on the brink of collapse. I will shred this universe down to its last atom and then, with the stones you've collected for me, create a new one. It is not what is lost, but only what is given. A grateful universe. I'm the one who stopped that. As long as there are those that remember what was, there will always be those that are unable to accept what can be. They will resist. You know what's happened since then. The children born have known nothing but full bellies and clear skies. It's a paradise. The hardest choices require the strongest wills. I thought that by eliminating half of life, the other half would thrive. But you have shown me. That's impossible. I'm a survivor. You could not live with your own failure, and where did that bring you? Back to me. I am, in a...
So after example and kita niya, ang reflection is mapapadali ang inyong kung bakit to nagawa, kung paano ito ginagawa para sa inyo. And number 2 is how do this API be able to help you in your workplace or school? So in short, speech to text, ito ay simple magsasalita ka lang tapos nagko-convert yung language mo to text, 'di ba? Kita niyo na sa example. So meron si Microsoft Word like na pag nagsalita ka, halimbawa nagpa-rewrite si boss, i-retype mo nga to, retype pala. So nagpa-retype si boss, so hindi mo siya kailangan i-retype, napakatagal nun. So simple lang, abang nagta-type, hindi mo siya kailangan i-type, kunin mo yung papel ni boss tapos ano mo lang, i-speech mo lang, mapapadali siya kasi mapapabilis yung paggawa ng isang word or pagtama rin ng isang salita, malalaman nyo na kagad. So text to speech is parang you can knowledge at the same time may nagtuturo sa'yo or may nagdi-discuss sa'yo, napakadali lang intindihin, or may nagkukwento, parang ganun lang siya kadali na aralin. Hindi naman siya ganun kakomplikado na kailangan merong gawin pa. Parang nagiging teacher mo rin yun. So number 3 is what do you think is the business value of these two API? Ang value ng isang speech to text and text to speech sa isang business is malaki, depende kung paano nila gagamitin, pero malaki ang advantage nila to gain revenue and customer satisfaction kasi mag-improve ang reduce time ng paggawa nila ng cost and user experience na integrated sa paggawa nito. Ang paggamit nito is madaling ma-access lang, unlike ng magmamano-mano ka. So ang simple lang, ang value nito is malaki sa isang kumpanya kung depende kung paano siya magagamitin.